Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to learn chapter 6, A Part of My Bone. Let us go back over the last 100 years and think about the different types of transport, what the people used, and we read about in the book. The, the ancient period was very difficult to move one place to another place. But now, think the development of transport. It is very easy and safe to move one place to another place. Through this lesson, we are going to learn the new transport system of PAD. Come, let us read the lesson. The Diwali vacation was a thrilling time for Nancy and me. Here, me is a narrator, one who is narrating the story. Nancy is the narrator sister. We were visiting my uncle in London. So they are going to visit their uncle who is living in London. I was all excited because the last time we were there, I wanted to ride on the London Eye, but we could not because Nancy was too scared. So last time they went, but they did not go for a ride in London because the narrator sister Nancy was too much afraid to go in a ride. So this time the narrator is decided and very excited not to miss the ride to go in London. Our jet landed at Heathrow Airport at a very convenient time 11 a.m. They went in a jet aeroplane. It is landed at Heathrow Airport morning 11 a.m. Since mom had been here many times before, she told her brother that we would reach his home on our own. Since the narrator mother went many times to London, so she knows the way to go her brother's house. So she rang up to her brother and told that we will reach by our own. So this was very happy and glad for the narrator because I got a ride in a new form of transport because they are going to travel in a new transport system. Everybody seemed to be talking about this new way to travel. So the mother is going to take them in the new transport system that everyone is talking about. So he's very happy to travel. The new transport system are the parts, at least that is what they are called. The new transport system is called a part. From what I had heard, they were also ULT raw PRT. ULT means urban light transport and PRT means personal rapid transit, but we can call it a PAD, otherwise ULT or PRT. But here, narrator is feeling more happy to pronounce or call parts than ULT or PRT. The narrator was very curious. We headed towards the car park station with our luggage. They went to the car park station with their luggage. When they went, the station automatically glass doors opened up to these high tech little vehicles. High tech means something that makes use of highly advanced methods and machines. When they went, automatically the glasses were opened. They were queuing up outside, waiting for passengers. So they were queuing. The parts are in a queue. They are waiting for the passengers. They looked like a tiny headback cars, almost completely oblong in shape. Hatchback. The meaning of hatchback is having a sloping back door that opens when lifted, and it is looking like a tiny cars. Tiny means a very small cars, and it is oblong, completely oblong. Oblong means a long and narrow, like a train. It is looking like a train, and it is looking like a tiny car. I could hardly see the rubber wheels. So the vehicle is having a rubber wheels, and their front windows reminded me of the adorable face of a honeybee with a long black eyes. Adorable means lovable. So when he saw the doors, the front side, when he looked to the front side of the car, the vehicle, the narrator is feeling like a honeybee. How the honeybee having a two set of eyes, the face of a honeybee. So it is very lovely to look at the vehicle. People got in, pressed a button, and the doors closed. So what the people done? The people went inside the car and the pressed the button. Immediately the doors were closed. The little parts were fast and made almost no noise. So the parts are very fast, and they will not make any noise. And they were entirely computer controlled. So they are computer controlled. Imagine a car without a driver. Can we imagine a car without a driver? No, we cannot. But here I had only read about something like that in a science magazine. Here there is no driver because it is a computer control. So the narrator read about the science magazine about the parts, but really today he is sitting in the parts, so he is very happy. Before boarding a part, mom selected a destination option on a touch screen computer on the platform. Before getting into the before taking that vehicle parts, the mom what she done, the platform they kept the computer. So on the touch screen computer, the mummy selected the destination where they want to reach. After she had made her selection, the computer confirmed it. So when she made the selection, the computer asked her to confirm. Our pod arrived very soon, and when the doors opened. So when she made the confirmation, the parts arrived at the platform very soon, and the doors also opened. I saw it was much roomier than it looked. So when the narrator saw that vehicle, the parts, so he felt like a room. They are going in a room. Four people could fit it in with ease, and there was plenty of space for luggage. So only four people can sit in the parts, not more than four people, and plenty of space is there to keep their luggage. We got in, and mom pushed the button to close the doors. They went inside. The mother pushed the button to push the button. Then immediately the doors closed. Once inside, I felt as if we were in a tiny space shuttle. The seats were comfortable. It was very clean. When they went inside, and they felt they are sitting in a space vehicle, means from the earth to moon, what we use to going to the another planet. He felt like they are sitting in a space shuttle. The seats were more comfortable, and the place also very clean. Won't it get crowded when it stops to pick up other passengers? I asked. The narrator asked his mother. So it will not be crowd. So when it will not stop for another passengers to pick up. The mother replied, no. It won't stop for more passengers, which is nice. We will have some privacy. So it will not stop for in all the places. So we will have some privacy. Privacy means freedom to do things without being observed. I smiled at that. To me, it meant I could talk as loud as I wanted. So he is feeling that, and he is very happy, and he smiled. So as much as I want, I can shout and talk. I am in my house without mom telling me to simmer down. So the mother cannot tell me to be quiet because other no people to observe. So he can speak as much as he want. The speed was perfect, and it was more comfortable than any bus. So the speed is very good. So it is more comfortable than any bus. Mom told me that parts are the most environment friendly form of transport since they are battery powered. The mother is telling it will not release a smoke, so it is fully battery powered. They are also very efficient. Efficient meaning is able to produce good results without wasting time or energy. So without wasting our time, we can reach our home even with the maximum speed of 40 kilometer per hour. They are quite fast because they do not get stuck in traffic jams. So once it is started, it will reach the destination, so there will not be any traffic jams. Once an ULT-RA pod departs from its station of origin, it does not stop again until it reaches its destination. Once it is started, it will not stop in between. It will reach the destination without stopping. In congested urban areas, this makes the ULT-RA considerably faster than private cars and much faster than any most buses. So, more than any car and buses, it is more comfortable and private to travel in a crowded area. Mom also told me that she had read in the papers that New Delhi and Amritsar must be the first two cities in India to introduce this form of transport. This transport is in use in New Delhi and Amritsar because they are very big crowded cities. So the mother is read in the newspaper in these two cities the pod is using. Many other parts passed by. Parts traveled on elevated tracks in some places and on level ground in others. Since they are computer driven, the chances of an accident are less. So there will not be any chances of accident because it's a fully computer controlled. The ride took us no more than 5 minutes, and when we got off, so within 5 minutes, they reached their destination. Nancy said, "Let's go for another ride." The Nancy is very much afraid of a ride, but she is telling that we will go for another ride. It was a dream ride, and I almost felt like I was on another planet. So the narrator is feeling that it is like a dream, that he is in another planet. I only wished we could buy a pod for ourselves. He is thinking that he is wishing and he is feeling happy to buy a pod for themselves. Who knows? Maybe sometimes in future I will. If you think the earlier days, the people are the buses and cars are for common. Now each person is having their own car. The same, the parts also will come in the future for own. Each people will have a part for their house. So this is what the lesson. So my dear children, read once again the lesson and read the word meaning and you will understand more deeply. Thank you. Have a nice day.